What is up, everyone? Welcome to Canvaplay.
Hello, Godsons and good hearts. My name is Pinky, your Godson BA. Welcome to our channel Canva Play, where we will share Canva design tutorials, tips, tricks, and hacks that will elevate your Canva skills for free. Today, we will show you how to make dust explosion effect in Canva. I am so overwhelmed by the reception I received from our community when I posted these designs in some of our FB groups. That is why I created this video for those who are curious how I did the designs. Before we begin, take a look at this sample that we will create. Let's now go to the blank Canva design editor. Drag a photo from Photos or Uploads. Using the image, go to Effects and remove background. If you are using the Pro version, you can automatically remove the background under Effects. If you are a free user, you can use the free alternative background removers like Remove.bg or Sticker Mule. I will put in the description box below the link to these alternatives. If you want to have a Canva Pro account, I have a link in the description below that will give you access to 30 trial days of Canva Pro. It's completely free and you can cancel it at any time you want, hassle-free. Now, let's proceed. After removing the background, resize the image. Go to Photos and search for Dust Explosion. Did you see them? Wow, it's so amazing to find dust explosion photos in different colors. I want to use a color purple or violet because I think it will give a brighter look for the effect. This one. Click it or drag it inside your design editor page. There's two ways you can use the photo. One, you can use it as background, and two, you can use it as an overlay. In this design, I will use the two options for you to see how they were used. So, for the first option, I set this dust explosion as my background. Click it and set image as background, like this. For the second option, drag again the same photo and go to Effects and background remove it. Before clicking the apply, check the look of your image first. Here, I don't want an open portion to the image, so I will use the restore tool and restore the portion that has been erased like this. And I want to erase this portion here, like this, and make a little touch on the other areas. I think it's perfectly done now, so check them and apply. Now, position the image to the part you think it might give a realistic look for your design. Do some flips and positioning like this. And I think it's good now. This is how it looks. Now, I want to share with you the final touch on how to enhance the look of your design. Choose or click the image of the lady. Go to Effects. Find Shadows. See All. Search for Glow and click for the settings. Change the color to purple. See how the vibrant outline glow in the image. The image is now very visible to the eye. Click Apply. I also want to make the dust explosion lighten up more. And I think I can make it by going to Elements and search for Blurred Dot. Graphics. And I'll search for the blurred dot with the same shade of your dust explosion, this one. And then I will align it to the lady's image. Make a little bigger. And then I will change the transparency to 40. And send it back. Now, take a look of the final result. That's it. For more designs inspirations, watch this. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and to be updated with our upcoming videos, click subscribe. Drop your comments below for the tutorial you want to learn next time. Before I end this video, I hope I inspire your creativity. I'm Pinky, your Godson VA, and in behalf of Simon, Goodheart VA, thank you for watching this till the end. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you don't miss the next video from Simon with another exciting Canva tutorial. Bye guys! See you in the next video!